Want to save time and generate emails for your team or employees like an Excel Pro? Then look no further, as I will be showing you exactly how to generate employees email and how to split user ID from their various domain name. First off, let's say you have a website like Site Systems and you need to create official email for your employees. You can also use third-party domain like Gmail, Hotmail and other to do same. After preparing the name list, follow the step-by-step processes as we proceed. Alright, let's say these are the list of my employees. The first email here will be the info, the admin and the support email for my business. So the next ones are the employees emails that I'm going to be creating using a simple line of Excel format. Okay, now, alright, so you can either post the format or you do it manually. Okay, so what we're going to do here, just to make you understand it better, I'm going to do it manually. You start with equals to lowercase. That means you want all your text to be in lowercase. So you open bracket, then you click on the first name. All right. Then after you click on the first name, you can do a double quote here and enter full stop at the middle. That is if you want the names to have a dot in between, like Benjamin dot Sophia. But for the purpose of this very video, I'm not going to add a dot. I'm just going to make the names go together the way they are, Benjamin, Sophia. Okay, so I will just use the ampersand, which is the and. Then I'll click the last name here. Okay, after the last name, you use the ampersand again, which is also and. Okay, now you use the double quote here. Okay, in between the double quote, you are to, in between the double quote here, you are to add your domain name, which is the @sitesystems.com. Okay, once you have done that, you make sure that you already closed your bracket, then you can now press enter. Okay, you can see you have info@sitesystems.com. Next, you want to click at the edge here where you double click on it, so it will automatically generated automatically. So next, if you want to separate the user ID and the domain, you go to user ID here. You can also do a copy and paste of the format, but I still want to show you how to do it manually. Okay, so copy and paste. All right, to just get the user ID, but you can also do it manually for better understanding. Okay, so what we're going to do here, you can see you click on, you have to enter the equals left bracket open, which is a C3. You have all the, how do you determine where is C3? This is C and this is 3. So you select the C3 here, equals to left bracket open C3, find bracket open quotation at quotation close comma C3 -1. So what this particular format implies is that you want to separate the left side before the at from the main content. So that's what you do. Once you just click on enter, it will automatically remove the admin here and bring it down here. Okay, what you do next is to just drag it down. Okay, go to this okay, drag it down. All right, so you go all the way up to the next one, which is the domain. You do the same thing, just do a copy and paste. Just do a copy and paste here, so you get the domain without the @ so that one is also right bracket open C3, supposed to be C3, but I'm using C2, C3, then C3 and then C3. Okay, and that's all for generating your email addresses for employee and your team, and also separating the user ID from the domain. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to get more content like this whenever we post them. Okay, subscription is absolutely free. Like and share with friends. You can also drop a comment in the comment section below for any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.